Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm presenting you few important points regarding resume. I mean how to make a resume and what important points we have to consider while making a good resume. So let's start the today's video. Points for make a good resume. First and the foremost, an important point is mention your contact information. Put your name, address, email, and phone number in the top section of the resume. Write a short personal statement. It should state who you are, why you are motivated to be in your profession, what your professional goals are, and any award or recognition you won in school. That must you have to mention in your resume. Third point is provide educational information. You have to mention and list your formal qualifications as well as any certification and licenses you have. Give date of attendance. If you were a top achiever in your school or college and won awards and scholarship, mention those as well. Give work experience details also. Even if you don't have much professional experience, you can mention any projects done on your own or in collaboration with others. If you interned or with any company or worked part-time at a fast food restaurant or mall store, it can be useful to include that also. Next point is declare your willingness to learn new skills. Emerging technologies and changing the way companies do business, and that's why employers are increasingly on the lookout for candidates who are willing to learn new skills and are fast learner. Highlighting these aspects can draw the attention of recruiter. Last point is look at other resume sample online. Find the one from your industry and compare them with your resume. Check if there is room for improvement and if you can add any item, it make your resume stand out. So these are the most important points while making a good resume. So please keep in mind these points while making the resume. Thank you. Thank you for the watching my video. And if you have any query or question, then please mail me on this email ID.